Oh, because it's dark, we're going to disable the video today, guys. So let's go ahead here. Let's switch this up a little bit. And let's do this guy. Cool. All right, what are we going to do today? There's a little thing that I decided to look into for lead extraction. And here's how it works. You go into Zapier and then you select your new thing that you want to build. Okay. Go into here. Once it works in a second, it says it's disabled. It's loading. Wonder why this is taking so long. There we go. Now let's select Messenger. This is going to be fun. Boom. Okay. Now if we select this and we go down and we select new message sent to page. Well, what page are we wanting to pay attention to? In this instance, we'll select something that we particularly want to look at. Choose account. We'll use my own account. And then we'll continue. And then we'll select from down here. I would say let's go with debt chain. Continue. Now, nothing's going to happen if I test the trigger because there's no message that's gone through. But what we can do next is we know from looking at this, a message will be sent. But where is it going to be sent to? We'll send it to Chat GPT. Right here. Okay? Now, what we have to do is we have to program Chat GPT. But how are we going to program it? Well, first, let's do a conversation. That's what we're going to select. This means that when it gets a new conversation from somebody, it's going to interpret it. We'll select our account. We'll lock it in, wait for it to load, and then continue. Now, our message is going to come from here. We're just going to complete this step really quick. Test trigger. It's not going to find anything. Skip test. Skip. Now we can go back to here. Cool. So we're going to enter the user message. We're going to select from these things here. You may be a bit confused, but let's try to look at what we need. Message text. That's important. And we probably want to know their first name. That's probably also important. Oh, speaking of which, let's put their first name here also. And the next thing we want to do is we want the assistant's name. Who is this assistant going to be? We'll make them up. We'll go over here to GPT. And we will, let's see, how do I want to go about this? We'll go down to plugins. We have internet access. Please build out an AI model persona that is a general guide on self-help. And they have a clear understanding of the works of Rumi and apply them with the works of Joseph Campbell. Finally, they talk business. We understand the importance of the law of attraction. Specifically, that we get what we are, not what we want. Mindset is key. Use quotes from, I think she was made like this, Carol Dweck. And always remind people that your body is under your more direct control. So now it's going to start building out this random persona for its artificial intelligence for us. The enlightened guide. See, it just comes up with stuff. Very creative little guy. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Now, name this person, this AI. Give it an actual name. No, like go. Not being creative enough. Be creative and draw on name structure like that used on Rochar. Let's see what we get here. There we go. Don't I? Let's see, what does it mean? Adona is the name of Renew, together with, oh, they reflect AI's role. Ooh, I love it. See, it even understands how it uses symmetrical structure. Gosh, this thing's awesome. All right, let's go back to where we were. Are we on the right thing? No, here we are. Cool. Assistant name, let's make this smaller for you. Noni. Now what we're gonna do, incorporate into the persona and apply a personality taste that reflects what this person's Zell. No, we won't do Zell. Let's do light Valley. I'm Adonai, the enlightened strategist. Add in context to make sure implies the works of these people, authors mentioned, by using their sentence structure and prose in congruent symphony. With elegant mastery. That's what it does. The Harmonious Maestro is a self-help guide that embodies the wisdom. Perfection. We'll start with this. Copy. Now we'll go over here to the untitled section and we'll paste this in. Ooh, we gotta be careful here. We'll work on that in a moment. Memory key should be the person's name so you don't ever forget them. And then tokens, 500. Then temperature, we'll keep it where it's at. Model, do we have 4 in the one I selected? Nope, let's change this up. Let's go up here, count, change, and go to this guy here. I bet you if I reconnect it, it will appear. I didn't even think about that. There we go. Which model do I want? So here's something you should know about as we're looking at this. This is a lot of instruction. There's things I want you to know. The 0314 means that this GPT-4 model will not update from that date of March 14th. Same goes for this one. It will not update from the date of 0613. So that lets you know a little bit. GPT-4, by the way, is a lot more expensive to operate, so just be careful if you're using it. Okay? Now we're going to hit continue. Oh, wait, no, we're not. We're going to do this. This is what we came here for. Boom. Now, watch this as I change it. You are it's Maestro. There you go. You keep your comments brief. Respect time of your new friend. Boom. Okay. And let's get you a little bit more creative. Okie dokie. That's pretty dang creative. Continue. Hello world. It's such a dumb message. It sends automatically. Test. It's not going to do it right. But this gives you a starting point right here. What we've done is we've set this up primarily for lead collection. So you're going to be on this site that's your page for your company, and you're going to have this person running in backdrop that's going to be collecting leads anytime that they talk to you. This replaces the needless task of having one of your employees or yourself monitor your Facebook Messenger. Why bother with it? Look at the content. Great. The unfolding world, oh diligent beacon that is Zap. Sing loudly your vibrant hello. What query beckons the query? What query climbs to reach the surface of the golden heart, of your golden heart? I love that. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go forward here. And we're going to do a couple things here. Okay. This is where it gets cheeky fun. Pathways. Oh my goodness. What does this do? Well, let me show you. First and foremost, we'll pick this pathway. We'll go here. And we will we'll do another Chat GPT module. I just need to build lately, guys. I have not been doing anything. That unstructured data sends unstructured text. It transfers to your next function. Calling keyboard. Is that what I really want to use? I don't think so. Let's do. Ooh, you guys will like this one. What I want? Lead score by Zapier. You do 500 of these a month, and this guy is expensive to operate with. I looked up the actual company that is the backbone behind that tech. Pricey. Find a person and company, finds a person, company. Data qualification based off email using Mad Kudo. No, this is only 500 requests per month. You need to use the official integration on Zapier and subscribe to one of their pricing plans, which is pricey. So what it's going to do is it will interpret there the information, and then what you can do is you can be like, okay, cool. Let's see. Let me make sure I understand this right. What it does. Let's take a look. Action. Email the person you'd like to get their information for. Oh, so we do have to do something before that step. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go here and let's do AI. Eyes up here. Boom. Choose an event. Okay, parse any freeform data. Generic version of parse lead from freeform. Allows you to provide a few custom examples. Parse lead. Let's do that. Okay. So what this will do is this will go in, take the data that's coming from Messenger, clear up here, and it will break it down for you, okay? So let's see what that kind of looks like. By the way, maybe we should have a few conversation points first. Well, that is one thing we could do. Maybe we'll do that. So this will be something to illustrate too, to make this really useful, because you want to know how to really collect the lead, right? You're like, yeah, of course I do. That's what's important to me. So you go down here to action. Okay, this is where your message and stuff is all at. And you say this too, okay? After you have had a conversation, after you have sent 2 messages to this person, recommend that they set an appointment to speak with your grand creator. Now, what are we going to do? Use this link. Perfect. Yeah, let's do this one. Copy. already knows. Even if it uses it anyways, you could actually install it in the response, because that's something we haven't even gotten to yet. For instance, right here, we'll plug in a response here, Messenger. Here's something cool, because this is something you got to program into it. Boom, send message, continue, page. You already know what page. And then this is the PSID. Right here, sender PSID, boom. And now that's done, now you want to enter the text, right? So that's where you go to here. And I wonder if this does anything. Let's do something real quick. Nope. I wish. Right there. So you want to send this one. So it's going to send that message. What you could also do here is you can include a link down at the bottom, and you could shorten the text. You could have a link shortener and send that. There's a lot of stuff you could do here. And really, this is the thing that's problematic, is the sky's the limit with this stuff. But a lot of people don't even know the right questions to ask because they don't know what they can really do. And the reality is you can think of jobs that you have normally done, and this can do it for you. Also, I'm like doing two things at once right now. I am currently recording all this audio because what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into 11 Labs to synthesize my voice finally and clone it. And then I'm going to create an avatar using Midjourney. And then I'm going to iterate it using DID. That's going to be fun. I don't think I signed up for that one yet. Okay. I know I talk a lot on here, but part of it's just to get my thoughts out of my head. Going down here, we're going to parse it. Boom. Choose account. We'll pick this one. Continue. Freeform text. So where is this going to come from? It's going to come from here. Your first message. It's good to name these, by the way, because it's only going off the name you give it. So there's a few things you want here. Sender, full name. Zapier. Zapier. Cool. It just generated. That's awesome. And then you want the message text, because they may eventually send their email. Like, honestly, they won't unless you ask for it. So what you'll do here is you change this and update it to include it. But for now, we won't worry about it. Oh. So what it's going to do is it's going to take that freeform text, okay, and then continue. Search items. So let's see here. Email. Do that. Email. Email. Full name. Phone number. What else do we want to know about them? We'll go with notes. Just for the heck of it. Action. Look what it found. It found the first name. It found the last name. Didn't find anything else. Still, it's really cool, huh? Continue. Now what we can do, well, poo. We don't have the darn email. But what we do is we go to here, right here, middle name, last name, email, boom. Ta-da, no data, but at least you've got it set. Should this step be considered a success when nothing is found? No, it should not. Continue. Okay. So that's what we've got there. Now we skip that action. This is done. This is going to find the lead and parse it. But what should we do with it? Where should we send it? Well, what's your favorite CRM? Is it Lead Vector with Go High Level? Is it HubSpot? Personally, HubSpot's like the friendliest one to work with. So we'll do that. Event required. Let's be careful with this. Add contact to list. Adds a contact to a specific static list, marketing, blah, 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 blah. Create contact, create COS, blog post, create deal. There's a lot it can do. See, look at all these things it can do. What do we want though? Create or update contact. Cool. And then we can set up a sub trigger. Like we can do so much in these different pathways. Like this is doing a lot of lead parsing. It's rating the lead. And we want to look at that in more detail. Create or update contact, continue. Choose account. Let's do this one. Continue. Contact email. It's going to take it from here. All done. Okay. And then next is Facebook ad properties, company size. That's not coming in. Contact phone. Where's the original data thing at? Kitty, don't destroy stuff. You can see the fields here are truly magnificently tedious. But the reality is once you build this out, it's built. And you've got a perma employee of awesomeness. So let's go ahead and just do the contact phone number. Going through here, it gives you an idea. You just select it, okay? Phone number, boom. Oh, I double did it, sorry guys. Yeah, it's all done. So you get kind of the idea of how this works, right? And on and on and on and on it goes because it is HubSpot. Continue. That's a lot of empty data fields. Let's get, oh shoot, I tested the action. Bad idea. All right, we are basically done at this point. Oh, I don't have 30 minutes of footage yet. I don't care though. Here's the basic idea. You go in and you build this out to where it's connected to your Facebook page of awesome, whatever that is. And it's essentially a constant listener. And from that, you can collect all the lead information you need. You can take the lead information. You can immediately pump it into an emailing campaign if they agree to it, where they become a part of your newsletter. You can even write them a super customized email. Watch this. So you've already got this response, right? Now we'll go down. You could do it here also. You don't have to go anywhere else. Let's go to here and let's put another chat GPT. Ooh, yeah. Let's do this. This is going to be fun. Open AI. Wait a minute. They have that. Oh, they might. They have to. Please. There is a way to do it. I have to probably build the API for it. Maybe later. But the basic idea here, I was going to do this. I'll just do it this way since this is right here in front of me. Okay. Destructive cat. Now let's go here, choose event. Check moderation, no. Create transcription, create translation, generate image. Ba, ba, ba. So how this would work is you would create another prompt here, like a GPT. One second. Kitty was scratching stuff. No, I didn't throw it at the cat. I threw it in a direction that would scare the cat, but it was not near the cat. What do we want to do here? Oh, we're going to go here. And yes, I know I'm super distracted, but a lot of it is, it's so, I've already done it. I've already done something. Like, let me do it again. Always do something new. Conversation. Continue. And you could do so many things. You could basically say user information from here. Boom. Boom. Use this text to create a prompt for DALL-E that would make the person you are speaking to the user happy. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll let it interpret that itself. And memory key, you'd go to this thing here, boom, sender's first name. This creates predictability, continue forward, test action. So it does. Okay, it's going to be generating it for you. Okay, see, what do we get here? Okay, assistant content. No. You misunderstood me, my friend. Okay, let's do this correctly. Action. See, there is quite a bit of work that goes into this stuff. Create a prompt for image for a generative image system. Continue. Retest. By the way, it's creating history, so that's why you're seeing so many of these messages. So let's see here, the unfolding world, content, my golden. Nope, you're misunderstanding me. So you have to learn to talk to it better, and it's GPT-3, so it's not nearly as... That's the solution. Change the module. Model. Boom. Watch what kind of response we get now. This will show you the difference between GPT 3.5 and 4. Let's go down, retest action. I thought this was a good idea to show people some of the work that goes into this stuff, but I do not recommend doing it. Craft a radiant heart warming image that captures the spirit of a gentle sunrise illuminating the canvas. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now what we do is let's go to here. Let's go to here. Let's see if I can do it from here. Choose here. Continue. Enter text. Boom. Format data. Remove. Create. See how well it does this. Remove the Ha! I have no idea if this worked right. This will be fun. Here we go. Come on, you let me do this. Oh, it does not exist. Fine, let's go here. Oh, let me get. What? Really? Well, I think I broke the system, guys. I'll have to test this in a second, or just kill this step altogether. Delete. Ha! That was the problem. So let's go to here to action, test action. Oh, okay. Let's see how it does. It might still do okay with this. So let's do it. We plug it in. We go here, and then we go here. How many images do you want? We want one. What size do you want? That's a good size. Do you want to go smaller? No, let's just go with that size. Continue. Test action. Watch what it does. Hopefully it works, guys. Okay, let's take a look. You copy the URL. This is something you could paste into a lot of things, by the way. There's a lot of different apps that use this feature, including Instagram. So what I'll do is I'll take it over here. I'll take a look at it and see what it did. That's horrible. Absolutely horrible. You guys want to see something much, much better? Oh, there it is. Ah. I love this new feature, by the way. This is new AI that you have on Google. It's so much fun. Anyways, I should probably stop now. And I'll let this get posted and see what happens. For you that watched it, thank you. Thank you very much.